They taxing though. Can you guess how much this was?
Fly away. Fly, fly, fly away. I'm in prison.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Gavo TV here with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let's get straight into the video. Alright. I'm saying we at this festival. You know what I'm saying? Well, we walking in the middle of the street now. There ain't no. It's blocked out. But yes, sir. We made it here. The Ray Fest. It sound like it's copyright though, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna say chat. I keep almost calling y'all chat. Well, here, live on the street. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of people out here though. It smells good. I don't know that. It do smell good. But it's definitely. So, let's see. Hey. We gotta make our way to this. On the other side. Yo, what in the world? They broke that whole thing down. You see that? They broke that whole thing down. That's crazy. Oh, so that's where the copyright at. We don't want to go over there. We stay away from copyright. But dang, that's crazy, y'all. They broke that whole thing down. That's crazy. I wonder what they got at the bill right there, or what they about to make it. They got funnel cakes. They got funnel cakes, elephant ears. Wow. I wonder if they got that lemonade. If they got the lemonade, I'm definitely getting the lemonade. The lemonade. Last clip went viral. I ain't gonna say viral, but they got a couple thousand views. That was fine. You can't go that way. Yeah, bro, it's gonna show smoke. Oh my goodness. Dang, it's more this way. Well, not more, but it's still stuff this way. And they got another stage right here. They should let me on stage. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna perform. That's wild. I don't know. I gotta stay away from that copyright. I ain't gonna lie. I wonder how they got that there. Look at all these people. Yo, imagine everyone jumped on the bridge at one time. Nah, think about that. Imagine. What you think will happen? I heard somebody jumped on, like, this is one bridge. Everybody jumped at it at one time for like an event, and it ended up like sloping down. Like, it didn't change anything, it just sloped it down something. I ain't gonna lie. I just seen somebody with a corn on a stick. Corn on a stick is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. That's really crazy. But look, it look nice out here though. I ain't gonna lie. It look nice out here. Like right there, you trying to take that and pick it up and put it in the upstairs, boy, that's gonna take some work. How do you use? I don't know. What do you use to pick that up once it's filled up? There's no bag in there. Let me know if y'all know down in the comments. In fact, we just walk up here. We over here walking. I don't know what this man got going on. NPC action, live in effect. I think it's copyright. Copyright. I see smoke this way. They got fresh cut fries. That kind of sound good. The only thing it seems like probably I'm gonna run into is lines. It seems like the line probably gonna be long. Other than that, I think it's gonna be cool. I ain't gonna lie. They got snowy. Dang, they got another stage this way. They got like 3 stages. Yeah, it's probably this way. Look at this. A lot of people. Look at this trash can. That's a wild trash can. Looks like a whole scooter. Ain't no way. A scooter without these people, you're not getting past nobody. It's smoking. Dang, that's the line for the fries. That's the line for the fries. Well, we definitely not getting those. It's too long of a line. Dang. It's a whole thing over here. This look bigger. Oh, this the jazz thing. This the jazz part. There's nothing over there. Hey, look at the view though. Yo, WVU, it look better in person. But
Fan zone is crazy.
you said what?
Fan zone.
A fan zone, yeah, that's what.
Fan zone.
I mean, look at all these people though. This like Rolling Loud for real. No, now you know Rolling Loud today.
Cardi there?
I think so, yeah. I'm trying to think though. Let's see who can cut through this way. He is. Nah, I already look. Nah, he headline. It's him, ASAP Rocky, and somebody else. I forgot who.
I'm gonna watch that tonight.
I'm about to go there. I got a flight tonight. Cut it out. Oh, yeah. Nah, cause it's Friday and Saturday. That's when thing is. Look, yeah, this is where you get the free food right there. That pan right there is usually filled with food. You just gotta go get it. Give me that. It's crazy. What? Yo, I don't listen. I don't support what he's saying. No, nah. I don't support what he's saying. I don't know what he's talking about. You know what I'm saying? I don't get down like that. I don't know. He scares people like me.
You always say stuff like that.
I always say stuff like that. What? Are you lying? He's actually weird. Come on, man. Why you lying like that?
We should ask one of them. Where the ribs at?
Bro, go ahead. I'm following you.
Okay. Are you paying for it?
Am I paying? Down there, let's see what's down there though. Slide. We definitely going this way. We're gonna make our way through. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying. Go ahead. Start through this way. We make this night quick and easy. Screw me. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Yo, it's too many people. These lines long though. I ain't gonna lie. Dang, I got the Yeezys all in the grass. No sirski. It's terrible. Yep, can't have them in the grass. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, look at this though. They got butter. Okay.
A girl.
I know that dog be shaking a lot. His whole house look white. All right, so look, when you go down here, there's less people. You know what I'm saying? I think. So you don't see that many people. It's like when you get up here. Yo, there got the lemonade. You want some lemonade? You want lemonade? Oh, I forgot. I'm following you. Go ahead, my brother. I'm following you. Following you. I almost forgot I was following you. I ain't gonna lie.
Are you paying for the ribs or what?
I'm following you, bro. You said what?
Are you paying for the ribs or what?
Yes, bro. You think? Yes, I am. Now I'm following you. Go ahead.
I get the great privilege of touring the world with these fantastic musicians. Everyone, please welcome on the piano, Mr. Andy Esrin.
Shout out that boy Andy. Hopefully I don't get no copyright. I don't know what's going on this way. First, best of the rest rib cook-off. We are talking good ribs. Oh, there's so many ribs out here, boy. Oh, imagine they got a rib contest, like a rib contest. That'd be fun.
I could be the one to test me.
Oh, I know. I know. Oh, yo. That dog just licked me, boy. That dog just licked my leg, boy. Dang, boy. It's hot. It's hot, though. I ain't gonna lie. It's overly hot. Well, you know how to do a trick?
Yeah, I got you.
Wait, what you got going on?
I got you.
Bro, wait, you crazy, dude. I'm just trying to take the vlog. I was just looking the whole time.
I don't know. I'm waiting
Yeah, I ain't like he hit me with the skates. That hurt. I was just trying to take the camera. What's wrong with him? You seen that, right? The whole time he was just sitting there looking, staring. He's looking at the camera. I'm like, alright, put it on you. Pause. Hey, pause. Pause.
That's
But why people keep touching me, bro?
Who?
I don't know, bro. People just keep sliding by, bro.
But look, best ribs in America, best ribs in the world, best ribs, best
Yeah, that's kind of wild. Best ribs in America is crazy. That's
in the
one.
world, no, that's in
Best
the
ribs
world.
in the
That's
world,
in the world.
crazy. Best sauce in America is crazy. Best of the. Nah, in the world it's crazy. The world in America.
I don't know, bro.
No, listen, the world in America is crazy. Yo, I'm on this.
They make it more realistic.
Yo, go in there with it. It's in there.
I hope you drop your phone.
You hope I drop my phone? Bro, look at all this water space. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. And folks just, you know what I'm saying? Folks choose to walk.
You need a rep for me that then.
I don't know. You the rib tester. It says 100% satisfaction guaranteed.
That's crazy.
I mean, it sounds like you picked the number one.
So they liable almost if we don't like it.
I'm about to see this thumbnail. I'm gonna get right back with y'all boys. Alright, I just shot the thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna name this vlog. I went to the number one rib. I don't know what to call this. What should I call this? The first place winning rib place. No.
Best ribs in America.
I tried the best ribs in America. That's the title.
That's so good, man.
Man, what? It says the best ribs. We just gonna go off of it. Cheers, man. I ain't gonna lie. I kinda want some lemonade though. Man, I kinda hate these lines. Oh, imagine this copyright. Imagine this copyright. I'm gonna get right back with y'all boys. So, you know what I'm saying? I just tried one of the ribs. So I didn't get it on camera. But it was alright. You know what I'm saying? That wasn't bad. I feel like they needed barbecue sauce though. It was like dry. It didn't have no barbecue sauce on it. But it was alright. Bro, they'll copyright, man. Lemonade again. Let's try. I appreciate it. Alright, we got the lemonade. About to try it. It's smooth. It don't taste bad. I'm gonna rate it a 7.5. It's okay. I'm happy I at least got one of these. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. They taxing though. Can you guess how much this was? I'm out of breath, low key. I'm gonna get right back with y'all boys. I just gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? Wait, yeah, it wasn't good. It was mid for real. I ain't gonna lie. But you know what I'm saying? Nah, I just gotta eat. You know what I'm saying? This whole lemonade thing is gone. I ain't gonna lie. Like it's just a straight lemon. Like, yo, I know y'all didn't get to see, but this was $15, bro. 15. That's why my boy's taxing. Overly taxing. But I ain't gonna lie. This the end of the vlog, man. You know what I'm saying? W vlog. Dang, bro, I'm talking to y'all like y'all chat. Appreciate y'all for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We out.